Hello friends, welcome to all of you in my cooking channel. Today I am going to prepare Sabudana Khichdi. In India, people prepare this in festive occasion. For preparing this recipe, you will need 2 cups soaked sabudana. Large grain of sabudana is best for making the Sabudana Khichdi. In Sabudana Khichdi, the most important thing is soaking of sabudana. For making this, wash sabudana with plenty of water, then drain all the water. Sit this at least for 4 to 5 hours. Then each half an hour interval drizzle some water above it and give it a mix. Already I have done all this process and here is my final product. 1 cup peanut, dry roast it, then roughly crust it. 1 large potato cut into bite size. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Red chili powder, use red chili powder according to your spiciness. Salt to taste. Oil for cooking. I prefer olive oil for cooking. You can use any oil of your choice. 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Curry leaves. Chopped green chilies. Let's start our process. First we'll dry roast the peanuts. Already I have heated a skillet in my workstation. Add the peanut on it. It's ready now. Cool it down and make a coarse powder. Now in this pan add 2 teaspoons of oil. Here I am using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or clarified butter also. Now oil is hot enough for adding the cumin seeds. Add the cumin seeds. Curry leaves. 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Now add the potato. Add salt according to your taste. Now cover the lid and cook till the potatoes are tender. Let's see. Now all the potato pieces are tender. In this point add sabudana. Add the crushed peanut powder. Then give it a mix. If you want, you can add turmeric powder, but here I am not going to add any turmeric powder. Cover the lid. At least you need to cook it for 15 to 20 minutes, and in each 3 to 4 minutes interval we need to saute it and you need to drizzle a little bit of water so that it should not be burned from the base. Drizzle a little bit of water on it. Then give it a mix. Stir it at 3 to 4 minutes interval, because if it will start sticky from the base, then the khichdi will not be good. So be careful while making this. Add salt according to your taste. Give it a mix. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder. Give it a nice mix. Add chopped green chili. Add green chili according to your spiciness taste. If you do not want, then in that case you can avoid it. Now we are almost done. Before switching off the stove, put 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it a nice mix and cook it for 2 minutes more. We are almost done. I am going to serve this. Sabudana Khichdi is ready. In special occasions, serve this with curry of your choice. Do try it in home and let me know how it turned out. If you liked my video, then give one thumbs up. Don't forget to give your valuable comments. Bye bye and take care.